Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I've gotten some people asking me in the comment box like they wanted to create a mail merge. Yeah, mail merge. I will show you how to use another application called the Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word. So how do I use my Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word has a number of series of activities that you can do there. Let us say you can write a letter when you are sending it to different people. You can write an email when you're sending it to different people. It makes your work easier. Like perhaps maybe you are a secretary in a school and you want to write an internal memorandum informing let us say an internal memorandum to every student. Like you want to communicate something, but there are a number of students. You want to give them some little information about something, about some changes in the stuff, maybe promotion, maybe. But there are many students who have to receive the same letter. So instead of giving the instead of typing every letter individually, you can type only one letter and just mail merge it. Then it will simplify your work. And so I'll show you in mail merge. You must have a document. Let us say for I want to use now this internal memorandum. Let us say I've created this internal memorandum here, and I want to show you how I can mail merge. How can one mail merge when it's having this memorandum? Yeah, in mail merging, you see here something on your top. This is a Microsoft Word. I'm in the Microsoft Word, and this is my document. So I want to create for different students. You see where there is name. Let us say this internal memorandum is here, is written to several people, but instead of printing it specifically for this one, then I print for another one for maybe Jovan, and then another one. I can decide to make only one letter, then edit it, like mail merge it in two different letters by the same, but having different names to different people. How? Here you will see something like, now this is my letter. I go up here, there's something called mailings. I hope that you're seeing it. Yeah, you click on it, mailings. Then mailings, when you see this, it will show you here, like in mailings, you show you a list of options, and now here you see something like start a mail merge. I think that you click on it, and then now after starting a mail merge, like clicking on start a mail merge, it will show you, is it a letter, is it an email messages, is it envelopes, are they labels, are they directories, or it is just a normal Word document. So now here you can maybe mine this one. I can say it's a letter. Click on letter. After that, I've clicked on letters because it's a letter. So after that, the next one is showing me select recipient. Yeah, selecting recipient, meaning where there are names, class, meaning I must have recipients for those people. So I will come here, then on select recipient, there's an arrow facing down. I click on it. So clicking on it, it will show you use an existing list or type a new list. So for me, if you had already created a list for, if you have a list for these students, you can just click on use existing list and then use it to as the merge fields. But if you don't have, I can just type a new list. Like for me, I'm going to type a new list. On typing a new list, it will bring for you a table here. Bring a table has different stuff. As you see, it has a title, it has first name, it has last name, it has company name, it has address line one. So you can try to, according to what you have put in your letter. Like mine had name and class. You had seen that. Let me show you here. Mine is having name and class. Is there anything? No. So meaning my table, the table I'm going to have, it must have only name and class as my merge field. So meaning I'll need now to customize this table here. I'll go down here to something called customize columns. Yeah, I customize. So in customizing, it can bring for you this a list, like all these columns. The titles of all these columns are here. So now title, do I have title there? No, I can delete it. When you delete field of title information, I can, yeah, and then yes. Also then first name, I can either delete it or I can rename it. as just names. Rename. And then I come to this one. I can either decide to rename. If I don't want to rename, I can just delete it here. I think that. Then also that I can delete. I think that I can even decide to delete all of them. Then I just create mine. Then like I'm showing you here, I can delete. I can delete. This is for beginners. I can delete. I can delete. I can delete. I can delete that. I can delete that. I can delete that. I can delete that because I don't have them. So someone will say, I've deleted all, but how can I put in? So if I want now to put in my own table, like I want, mine has only names. I will go to add. Then I click on it. Adding, meaning I go to add. Adding, meaning now here I will type in a name of your field I want. So now I'll type in maybe name. Name. I've typed in name. Then I press OK. It has already appeared, I think. So I want to add another one because I have another one which is class. In my so I come here, then type in class. As simple as that. Then I say OK. So that's class. I've finished. Do I have any other to add? According to my letter, I only have that. So here now you'll have now to say OK. Have you seen? Now my table is having name and class. So I want to put in the number of students that will receive that. I can decide for name. For name I can say watoto Grace. Any other name? Actually it's better I use in caps lock. You know people required to be given some watoto, then Grace. Yeah, class. I can say this one is in form 2. Yeah. Then I want someone to say, now I'm done. Where will I write? There's something here down said new entry. New entry meaning I have now to click, then to give another option for another person. Then there I will type in, can I say Wakida? These are African names, so don't be worried. These are African names. Wakida Emmanuel, Emma. Yes, yeah. Then I come to this. I can say senior 3. Then I go again, new entry, the same. The procedure. Alex. I can say Alex. Alexander McKay. Alexander McKay. Alexander Mark. Just end there. Then here you can say senior 4. Yeah. So that's maybe, let me just end there. Then there I will come and say, okay, I've created my list. So in creating my list, I will have to name it before I save it. So I will come here, then say new list, or I can say good list. Good list. That's my new list. Then I come here and save. So I've saved my new list. So after that, I want now to fix in here. So meaning after that, we see that these icons here of greeting line, address block, insert margins, at first were inactive, but now since I've created my list, they are now active. So meaning this stuff, insert a merge field. How can I insert those names I've put there? I just come here. I sync this. I make sure my cursor is here on these names. Then I just delete this what I'd put, then come to insert merge field, then I say it was the name. I think the change that has come, meaning there's a merge field there. Then I will come now to class also. Class, yeah, you're seeing this class. I put there the cursor, then I delete that. After deleting, then I come to insert my merge field, then I put their class. You see, there's a change. No, so after putting there that change, let me see this one here showing me something. Yeah, so after putting there those merge field, I just come here. On here there's something like finish merge. I click on this and that arrow going down, so it will give me a number of lists. Then edit individual document, print documents, or send email messages. I'll go to, in case I want to edit individual documents, I'll just edit individual documents. Then I will say okay. I don't have much. So I think you are seeing, yeah, that's it. So class is something here. So I can just see here it's showing me something. I can just, okay. Then I think now you are seeing, oh, that's Grace. This Alexander Mark. Yeah, like that. You've seen this Alexander Mark. That is the Emma. Then this one also is another one called Watoto Grace. Yeah, thank you for watching. For more information, you can subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share to help those ones who may not be able to do this easily. Thank you. I'm glad that I've brought back a smile to your face. Thank you.